I'm Carissa Karner from Speaker in Demand Programs, and I'm here at Carden's Expert in You Luxury Business Retreat. And it has been an experience of a lifetime. Not only is the place we're staying incredibly gorgeous, we're in Branson, Missouri, where if I look out this way, I'm looking over these beautiful trees and a lake, and we're in an incredible, gorgeous mansion. But that is just part of it. I've also had the opportunity to learn a brand new marketing technique that blows out the other systems that I've been using, blows it out of the water. It is going to level out my ability to make more money, to get more clients, and to create a marketing system that is going to be so effective and bring in the exact clients that I want to work with. This has been an incredible experience, and the food has been fantastic. Everything about this has been wonderful and is elevating both my personal brand and my business to a whole new level.